In the last video lecture we have talked about classification of diseases. Now let's talk about some of the major diseases and some important informations with respect to them that has been asked in the question in the examination, previous year examinations. So first, diphtheria, pneumonia, leprosy, tuberculosis and cholera. All these diseases are bacteria, that is they are caused by the bacteria. They are caused by the bacteria. For example, leprosy is caused by a bacteria named a mycobacterium named Vibrio leprae. Then there is cholera. Cholera is also caused by a bacteria named V. cholerae. In the same way, tuberculosis is also caused by an irregular shaped bacteria. It is also a mycobacterium called Bacillus streptococcus. It has a very big name, but in short it is called Bacillus streptococcus, and this causes tuberculosis also. Now let's talk. Now AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, poliomyelitis, Japanese encephalitis and plague. All these are viral diseases. They are caused by the viruses. Then there is color blindness, royal hemophilia, sickle cell anemia. All these diseases are genetic in nature and they are sex linked. And being sex linked, they are transferred from the parental generation to the son or daughter generation. Parental generation to the progeny, that is next generation. So these are sex linked. Then there is malaria, dengue, chikungunya, Zika. All these are protozoan disease, and some of them are viral. Some of them are caused by a algae protozoa, and some of them are caused by parasitic protozoa. But one thing that is common in all these is that they are caused by mosquito bites. For example, malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum or Plasmodium. So malaria is caused by various species of Plasmodium mosquito and Plasmodium parasite, falciparum, vivax, etc. And malaria is caused by a mosquito named female Anopheles. Then there is dengue. Dengue is caused by a virus. It is a viral disease, and it is caused by the Aedes aegypti mosquito bite. Aedes aegypti mosquito. Then there is chikungunya. Chikungunya is also caused by you can say Aedes aegypti mosquito. Then there is Zika. Zika is caused by another mosquito. Zika was very much in news in 2016 because in Western countries it had wreaked a havoc in the society, and Zika causes a disease named microcephaly. Microcephaly. So Zika causes a disease called microcephaly. Then there is ringworm and athlete's foot. All these both diseases are caused by a fungi. Then there is filaria. Filaria is caused by a nematode. Then there are flus, different types of flu, such as swine flu, such as bird flu, such as meningococcal meningitis, or also called viral influenza, such as in recent we are dealing with this is coronavirus disease, and there are the different strains of coronavirus such as SARS, MERS, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome, Middle East respiratory syndrome, and this one is a very novel, so it has been named SARS novel coronavirus 2, and it is causing a disease called COVID-19 disease, coronavirus disease 19. So this is some of the things. Now let's talk about some more. So malaria is caused by the carrier of malarial parasite is female Anopheles, and the parasites or the protozoa include protozoa named Vivax and Falciparum. Then there is Aedes aegypti mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquito is the carrier of yellow fever parasite, dengue virus, chikungunya virus, Zika virus, and due to Zika virus there is a disease called microcephaly that happens. Microcephaly. So this disease happens, and this microcephaly, the symptom of microcephaly disease is that it happens in the newborns. If mother has been infected by Zika virus, then and if he is pregnant, then her newborn can be of short head, that is underdeveloped head. So this is microcephaly disease that is caused by Zika virus and Zika fever. Then there is Culex mosquito. Culex mosquito causes West Nile fever, Japanese encephalitis, filariasis, and avian malaria. So avian malaria is caused by Culex mosquito. Then there are other diseases like there is smallpox, cowpox, chickenpox, then there are other diseases such as Casanur forest disease, It is very much in news in India because it is found in Western Ghats in South India. In South India, it is caused by a tick bite. If ticks bite, then it is caused by the saliva of the ticks. Then there are other diseases. One more thing that you should remember, that this a medicine for malaria that is known as hydroxychloroquine is being used with combination of some other medicine to treat coronavirus or COVID-19 disease also. So this is very much in use. It is a potential drug of malaria. Then there are other diseases like typhoid, A and O. Then there are other diseases like hepatitis hepatitis B or C. So these are some of the diseases. So the smallpox, cowpox and chickenpox, all these are viral diseases, out of which smallpox has been eradicated during 1990s itself. In India also it has been eradicated, and Edward Jenner in 1796 itself, he had found a vaccine for smallpox. He found that a person who was infected by cowpox did not got infected by smallpox, and this way you can say he got the first vaccine for smallpox, and now smallpox in 1990 itself had been eradicated. Then there is chickenpox. Chickenpox is caused by, it is also a viral disease, it is caused by varicella virus. Then there are Casanur forest disease. It is caused by, it is found in Western Ghats in South Asia, especially in South India, and it is caused by ticks bite. Then there is typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial disease, and it happens due to, it is waterborne, foodborne, or it is found in fecal matter. So this bacteria is found in fecal matter, and when food, water get contaminated with fecal matter, then typhoid may happen. Then there is hepatitis A, B and C. There are 3 strains of hepatitis. This is also a viral disease. Hepatitis A virus causes hepatitis A disease, hepatitis B, hepatitis C. So these are also viral diseases. So there are industrial hazards also. Industrial hazards are the diseases due to one's profession or working condition. For example, there is a Sauter's disease. Sauter's disease is also called anthrax because it happens due to Bacillus anthracis named bacteria, and this bacteria is found in the furs of animals. It is found in those persons who work with the furs, such as wool industry, and fiber industry. There is pneumoconiosis. This is found in the coal miners. Then there is fluorosis. Fluorosis is due to fluoride contamination. Then there is Minamata due to mercury contamination. Then there is Itaita due to cadmium contamination. Apart from this, there are genetic or sex-linked diseases. For example, color blindness, leukemia or blood cancer. In the same way, there are other diseases like there are some diseases, hormonal disorders like thyroid, like diabetes. These are hormonal disorders, some others also. Then there are other diseases also. For example, there are some diseases due to some lifestyle issues. For example, there are diseases like Parkinson's disease, like there are diseases like Alzheimer's. There are diseases like hypertension, like cardiovascular diseases. Then there are other diseases like insect linked. There is a hemophilia also. Hemophilia, also called royal hemophilia. So these are other diseases like letharism, like ergotism. Ergotism is due to food poisoning.